Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm really excited to be shooting because I'm shooting with my new camera which my parents got me as a gift, and yes, I was super excited and I was waiting to use it in my new video. So yeah, today I am going to talk about a product or a brand known as Juicy Chemistry. Now Juicy Chemistry is a brand from Coimbatore in South India, and it has its own website. Earlier it used to ship or take orders via Facebook page, but now they have their own website and I think they ship across India. Now why this website or why Juicy Chemistry is so special is because they don't use any kind of chemicals or preservatives or parabens, alcohol in their products. So I was introduced to this brand by my sister. Now she's so much into skincare and she loves everything organic. So she found out their Facebook page basically, and she texted the girl and she was so sweet to reply, and they had a chat and finally she was ready to order. At first I was very skeptical about ordering online because I don't know how the brand is or if it's going to be worth the money they're asking for, so I didn't order anything. And my sister and my friend, they ordered few things, and when they arrived, trust me, I was so excited to see all those things. Like I was literally waiting for them to order the next time and I would jump in and have a whole lot of order. So yeah, this is how I was introduced to Juicy Chemistry, and the next time she ordered, I made sure that I ordered a lot of things for myself because all those things are so tempting. Like you feel like buying all of them, literally all of them. And the best thing about them is that it's all chemical free and it's all preservative free. Everything is pure and natural. Now why I'm emphasizing so much about organic things is because skin is the largest organ of your body. So taking care of your skin is very important, and I think we apply makeup and it stays on your skin for like 3 to 4 hours and then you swipe it off. But in case of skincare, I should take more attention to what goes inside your skin, because when you're using creams and all those face washes on your skin, they actually go inside your pores. I thought it's really important to switch back to organic products in every way possible. So yes, I have got a lot of products. Let me just show it to you. See, there are too many products in here. All of these things are not mine. I have oily skin and my sister has dry skin, so I have combined both of our products so that I can give you a detailed review on all type of skincare. The product is basically in the jar and you don't always have to dip your fingers inside it, because then you will actually be transferring all your germs inside the jar. So yes, they've given a wooden spoon which you can use to scoop out your product and apply it on your face or on your body and use it accordingly. So I think it's very hygienic. And for all other queries, you can always comment down in the comments, and you can look up to their website and see if you have any other doubts regarding the products. Now let me just start with everything else. Oh yeah, and they also give a loofah. It's an organic loofah which I don't have right now. It's in my bathroom and it's kind of dirty, so I don't want to show it. I'll try to insert a picture of it so that you can have an actual idea how the loofah looks like. So the first thing that I want to share is the Yang and Lavender Daily Face Cleanser. Now I just love this. It's a very nice, super gentle cleanser for jojoba oil, almond oil and a lot of other healthy products. So yes, I would highly recommend this one, and this is a very gentle face cleanser. So the next thing that I have is the Rose Saffron and French Pink Clay Body and Face Polish. It has rose extracts and the saffron in it, and you guys already know how great saffron is for your skin, and the smell is amazing. If you are a rose lover like me, you will love the smell. So the next thing that I have is actually a body butter. It's the Choco Mint body butter. It has a very balmy smell to it. Like it doesn't smell like mint, it smells more like a balm. So this is how it looks like, and it's really soft and it's great for days when you just take a shower and you want to moisturize your body. So yeah, it's very hydrating and it is amazing. I'll be linking all the prices and the product's name in the description box, so make sure to check it out. For the dry skin people, I have a couple of products. The first thing that I want to show is the Sweet Orange and Mocha Hydrating Face and Body Mask or Scrub. It has got sweet orange and mocha. So I know it's a weird combination for a lot of you, but it's very pleasant. Somehow I just love it. It has a very coffee and an orangish tangy tint to it, which I really like. Oh my god, it smells like, it's just amazing and I just want to eat it. Every time I smell it, I feel like eating it, which I think you should not, though it's organic, but still don't eat it. It's got sugar mix, cocoa butter, shea butter, coffee powder, cocoa powder, vanilla bean, almond oil, sweet orange essential oil. So it's got a lot of things, and I think it's great for dry skin people who want to scrub their face and get all the excess dirts but still want their face to be hydrated. You can always go for it. The next thing is the Skin Rehab Body Butter. This is for extremely dry skin, people whose skin gets really patchy, or you've got spots on your skin, or if you've got really problem skin, then you can go for the Skin Rehab. It's got really amazing smell. It smells like mango and argan oil to me. And let me see the ingredients. It's got shea butter, cocoa butter, mango butter, rosehip seed oil, almond oil, jojoba oil, grapeseed oil, vitamin oil, and I don't know, a lot of oils and the essential oils. So this is how it looks like. So yes, this is amazing for days when you want to hydrate your skin. Next I have is the All-Rounder Day Cream with Natural SPF for Dry Skin. This is my sister's. It's a daily use cream. Let me just open it up for you. This is how it looks like. The consistency is really great and it's a very creamy butter or the cream, day cream. The ingredients are natural vitamin E, sweet almond oil, argan oil, virgin red raspberry seed oil, spearmint essential oil, carrot seed oil, jasmine essential oil, beeswax. It's got a ton of healthy and hydrating oils and all the essential oils which are great for your skin. Next thing that I have are these two serums. Now many of us don't know what serums are. Serums are actually one step ahead of body butters or creams for your face basically. So they are super concentrated essential oils which will keep your skin really hydrated. So I'll start with the day serum. This is an argan and rose day serum with a natural SPF. Drops for your whole face. Like, you don't have to use a lot of it. Just take out the dropper, it's got a dropper, and just use 2 or maximum 3 drops on your palm and just tap it on your face. Like, you don't have to apply it or mix it. You just have to tap it so that the oil goes deep inside your pores into your skin. Cell Construction Serum. This is 8 ml bottle. And what this does is, this removes all the toxins and water buildup in the skin, and it makes your skin more firm. So I usually go and apply it in the night time because sleeping is the time when your skin is actually repairing itself. So using this Cell Construction Serum will actually help your skin to repair itself and construct all the cells. It will make your skin more firmer, more softer, and so yeah, you can always go for the Cell Construction Serum. I have been loving it and it will show incredible results in like a week or so. You'll actually feel your skin becoming more hydrated. Now even if you have oily skin, I would recommend this. I have been using it for a month or so and it has done wonders. So yes, you can always use it. It's for all skin types. Next I have is the Coffee and Green Tea Infused Under Eye Cream. Now this cream is paraben free. The all other eye creams which I have been using for such a long time, every one of them contains paraben. Now paraben is a chemical which is not very great for your skin, so I think you should avoid it, and this one is paraben free. I apply it when I'm going to bed. I just use this with my finger. I apply under my eyes, and I've got dark circles problem, so this has really helped me, and it's really soothing and it does not burn your skin or something. So yeah, this is the coffee and the green tea infused under eye cream. Next I have are the two lip products. This is the Choco Mint lip butter and the Choco Mint lip scrub. The Choco Mint lip scrub, it's very similar to the body butter. I think they have almost the same scent. I have is the lip balm. This is again in Choco Mint flavor. I haven't used it because I have tons of lip balm. I'll be starting to use it soon. This is how it looks like. It's the similar one, nothing so great about it. Though I also have the lip butter in Virgin Mojito, and I just love it. I love it more than the Choco Mint one. So if you are really looking for a good lip scrub, I would highly recommend going for the Virgin Mojito one. It smells actually like Virgin Mojito, and you just feel like eating it up every time I use it. I just want to eat it up. So yeah, it's very nice. It's got that small little granules of sugar in it, so it really removes all the dead skin from your lips, and it gives you a very soft and supple lips. So yes, if you want to try a lip scrub, go for the Virgin Mojito one. It's great. Now the last thing from this whole review is this one. This is the hair mask with argan oil and mango butter. As you can see, it's almost finished because me and my sister use it, and as you know, we have got really long hairs. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day, and I hope you like my review. Please ask me any kind of questions that you want to ask. Or thank you so much for watching. Bye bye, take care.